Hi everyone, how are we? So today I'm not going to be showing you how to make this card. I'm just going to be showing you these flowers. So if you see carefully, they're glistening because there's glitter, do you see? Camera needs to focus. Oh, well, I'm sure you can see that. So what I'm going to show you is how to make a glittery flower. This technique was pointed out to me by Carol, so I know a lot of other people have done similar things with different types of tape. So the one Carol showed me was with brown tape, which as you can see from the back, it's just brown tape and went for some glitter. However, you can see it looks brown. Brown isn't my favourite colour. Quite like just clear. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one of these. So put that out the way. So I've already cut out the flower shape from botanical tags, and what I'm going to do is just bring in some normal tape. You know, when you struggle to find the ends, reminds me of Christmas. Like so, and all I'm going to do is line it up on there like so, and then put that down so I can cut another piece. Yeah, that's done. So all I'm going to do is now line the back up with this side. You will need a slight overhang between the pieces of sellotape, just so you don't have a gap. And there you go, like that. So now all you would need to do is cut around the edge of your shape, and because I have the magic of camera and it's stuck to my fingers, I have already cut around one, as you can see there. So all I'm going to do, move the card out of the way, is bring in some paper, place that down, and I've got my glitter here. I'm just going to sprinkle it over, like so. So just move it around a little bit, make sure everywhere gets covered. Maybe press it down so we know it's covered. Give it a quick flick, and there you go. So as you can see, it's quite translucent, so it's ideal for cards and projects like this one, where you want the main focus to be the colour behind it and you don't want it to be interrupted, like I said, by the brown from the brown tape. Just so you all know, I have tried using the Sizzix adhesive sheets. It didn't work well. You're more than welcome to try yourself, however it didn't work for me. If you do give it a try, let me know and we'll see if I can improve at all. But there you go. So there's today's card, there's the other one, and there's it with brown tape. Let me know. Any questions or comments, please put in the comment section below. You can follow the links to my social media pages as well, and any products used in today's video are available to purchase from me. Just drop me a message. See you around, guys. Bye.